In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your ketones and your blood sugar with the Precision Xtra blood meter. So I like to start with a paper towel so I don't get blood on any surfaces. And then I like to lay everything out that I'm going to be using. First thing you're going to do is open the packet that includes the strips because they're really hard to open. So you want to do that when you don't have a drop of blood on your finger. Once you get those open, lay them down. And then you're going to want to clean off the area that you're going to be using to prick your finger. If you have a dirty finger or any bacteria there, it can give you a false reading. So clean that really well with alcohol. Pull the trigger back that's located at the end of the lancet. And that is the button that you're going to push to release the needle. And then you'll get a little drop of blood, not too big. Insert the strip into the machine, and then you'll want to wait just a second for it to tell you it's ready. And you'll see that little icon blinking there that says it's ready. And then you can just place it next to the drop and it'll take the blood in. And you'll wait a few seconds and then you'll get your reading. So that's the blood sugar. And you're going to remove the blood sugar strip and you're going to put in the ketone strip. Make sure you use the striped end of the strip into the meter. Place that in and you'll see again, you'll wait just a moment. Place another drop of blood right into the end of the strip. Give it a few seconds and you'll have your ketone reading. Just like that. 1.1. Okay. And that's it. So remove your strips, all your trash, wipe off your finger, and then I like to just keep everything together and toss it in the garbage. So there you have it. That's how you use your Precision Xtra blood meter.